So I have this outdoor rocking chair I'm trying to rescue from the dumpster. Uh, as you can see, the back runner here, I think it got hit by a lawnmower. It's pretty well mangled. So let's see if we can't do something to make that a little safer. Originally had those plastic deals that you pound in there, but I'm not going to order any of those or even look for them. So let's just figure out some way to make this a little more safe. These bottom plastic runners are busted up, so let's just get rid of those. All right, see if we can't beat this thing into submission a little bit. We just need to sort of re-round this thing out. So I'm gonna find ideally like another piece of pipe that would fit in here just perfectly would be perfect, but yeah, that's pretty close. Okay, I made this a long time ago. It's just like a little bender thing, so we're just gonna put a curvature in this piece. Matches that curve pretty well. not trying to make it perfect, just knocking all the sharp edges off. All right, I'm done with this one. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect. But hey, it's lawn furniture, and now if you hit it, you're not going to slice your foot open. So what I got two rockers, and I've got six of these chairs that I basically rescued. Uh, they were all broken up and headed for the landfill probably. They all had broken slats, and that vinyl slat material was all busted up. So I made a more permanent fix, painted them black, and they look really nice. So anyway, if you like this and you got something out of it, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more stuff by me, mostly car and guitar related stuff, but every now and then I get sidetracked onto these weird projects. So if you like that kind of stuff, then hit the subscribe button and help me out. But I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one.